if you and each other 5, 6, 7, 8.
Welcome, Monarchs, to another lovely Friday. My name is Sawyer.
And my name is Eden. Today we have an exciting bunch of news stories for you today.
Mrs. Dyerly, former principal of Kimberly Elementary, has arrived at our school as our brand new principal. We can't wait to see what she does for our campus. If you see her, don't hesitate to say hello to make us feel welcome here at Moore. Here's a quick greeting from her.
I'm excited to meet the students and the teachers and get to know the staff and everybody else. And my goal is to read a song in my team with the strong staff we had here.
She was so kind to me.
I agree.
Also, Monarchs, don't forget that at the end of the quarter grades are heading into the grade book and onto your transcript. I can't wait to see all that hard work paid off.
To celebrate this, if you've earned enough money from your Step It Up fundraiser, you'll get to celebrate with a day of awesomeness. There's a station for everyone there and even some giveaways for those who sold past the requirement. I'll see some of you there.
Don't forget, Monarchs, are you interested in playing softball? Make sure you fill out those athletic packets by Friday. October 11th, you can turn them in the office or hand them to an office worker.
To build on some sports news, let's go to Liam for some extra information on our volleyball teams.
Congratulations, our Monarch volleyball teams played in the finals. Both teams had a wonderful season, especially since they both made it to the championship game. Let's take a look at the results. Again, congratulations to both of our teams. Softball is our next sport. Tryouts will begin on October 14th. Now back to the anchors.
Thanks for that info, Liam. We're so proud of all of our Monarchs. You make us proud.
Now we head to our College of the Week.
Hi, Monarchs. Let's talk about the College of the Week. Today we have CSU San Marcos. Found in 1989, San Marcos is a splendid public university in San Marcos, California. Their colors are blue and white. Their acceptance rate is 95.2. And their mascot is Crash the Cougar. They can be seen of many San Marcos sporting events. It is a distance of 1 hour and 23 minutes away by car, 27 hours by walking, and 7 hours and 16 minutes by bikeway.
Hi Monarchs, my name is Kylie Gomez and I am actually Mr. Simmons' niece. I graduated from Cal State San Marcos in 2022 with my bachelor's in liberal studies. Now, I am currently still in school receiving my master's in elementary education with the intentions of becoming a teacher in the near future. Now, if I were to give you one recommendation as to why you should go to Cal State San Marcos, it would be because of the people. This Cal State school is so much smaller than your norm, so you're really able to make those in-depth connections with your other peers and your teachers. Now, one of my favorite things about Cal State San Marcos would have to be the location. Cal State San Marcos is located in San Diego and is 20 minutes away from the beach and so much more that the limits are endless. I definitely think that you should check out this school when you get the chance.
Well, that's all for the week, Monarchs.
Stay fun
And go Monarchs!
This is Sarai from the Yearbook team. Sorry to interrupt the end of the More Morning show, but we'd like to kick off a new segment, the Yearbook Photo of the Week. This week's photo comes from Madison M. She took this beautiful shot in the library, showing one of our Monarchs hard at work. Madison used leading lines to draw your eyes to the subject. We'll bring you more photographs next week, showing the great work of our yearbook staff. You can find the link to purchase your yearbook in the More Monarch Media website. Thank you for your attention and support.
Go Monarchs!